Hey guys, so I find myself alone with a little bit of time to make a video. We are in the IDF room. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hang a light. So I've already roto hammered a hole and we're gonna put in this hardware. So this is our wedge anchor. And I'm gonna roto that in, tighten this nut down, little rod coupling, and then we'll add an eye bolt. And then from here we'll add jack chain and hang our light, but the light is, I think it's 46 inches in length is what I measured. It's basically a 4-foot light. So there'll be one on each end of the light. Got the rod coupling on there. I'm going to tighten this with a tool, but for now I just need to get it up there. So now we've got a coupling that we can add our eye bolt to. See if I can do this left-handed. Yes, you can. Alright. We can always wiggle this straight. I had less than ideal space to put this up, so it's kind of what you get. Tricks of the trade to make something tight. Use leverage. Yeah, buddy, a lot tighter than I could have ever done by hand. So all there is to do now is to measure out the length of jack chain I would need. My prints show me above finished floor, so I measure from the bottom of the light to the floor should be the height. In this case, it's going to be 10 feet. And also in this case, I don't have any video footage for you guys because I was not able to finish this. I did not have the metal triangle clips that go on the ends of the lights as I was still searching for them. And it was the end of our shift. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for hanging on this long to watch this video. We'll see you guys next week.